Taiwan's top 3 GPS manufacturers, Garmin, TomTom, and Mio, have become highly regarded worldwide since becoming frequent winners of international design awards, and their products have been named as the best products in the international product ratings. Did you know that these 3 companies base their Asia-Pacific headquarters in Taiwan for their global logistic and worldwide expansion? Garmin and Mio are actually full-fledged Taiwanese companies. These companies and other GPS manufacturers set up their bases in Taiwan to take advantage of Taiwan's comprehensive hardware manufacturing technologies, R&D abilities, and excellent corporate human resources, and use Taiwan as their springboard for the global market. I believe Taiwan plays a significant role in the GPS industry. Among the top 3 brands, Garmin, TomTom, and Mio, Garmin based its R&D and manufacturing in Taiwan. TomTom also commissions part of its designs to Taiwanese companies, and Mio is another Taiwanese company playing an important role in the development of Taiwan's design and manufacturing technologies. Therefore, Taiwan's contribution to the GPS market is without a doubt preeminent worldwide.
In recent years, many Taiwanese companies have joined the GPS industry, and the technologies, applications, and even marketing in Taiwan's market have matured.
Despite facing the global economic downturn and fierce worldwide competition in the GPS market, Taiwan's GPS industry was not affected. Instead, it marched forward at a steady pace. Taiwan is not only the manufacturing and R&D center for the world's top 3 brands, but also the headquarters of their Asia-Pacific development centers. This leads to ask, what advantages and abilities does Taiwan have to attract the world's GPS manufacturers to set their Asia-Pacific logistics centers in Taiwan?
Taiwan should be at the top of the global chart in hardware manufacturing and development. Take the GPS industry for an example. Taiwan is highly integrated in the supply side from the upper and midstreams to the lower end of the market chain, linking the areas of components, new materials application, and IC integration. With highly integrated resources, Taiwan's GPS industry is taking the lead globally.
I think in addition to the established brands, some manufacturers in the GPS industry are still involved in OEM manufacturing. If we see it from the business model, there are indeed not only GPS brands, but also OEM manufacturers in Taiwan. And from the product side, we can see that not only the all-familiar PND, that is personal navigation devices, are available. According to my knowledge, some manufacturers are developing car units and some are developing GPS systems for bicycles. This is a GPS product designed for recreation and sports activities or safety for the elderly and children. In addition to their creative hardware designs, Taiwan's GPS industry, including Mio and Garmin, abandoned the traditional OEM approach to emphasize the concept of brand development, information updating, software and hardware development, and customer services. This development not only reinforced the quality of the added value of Taiwan's GPS products, but also upgraded the brand images of Taiwan's GPS industry.
Brands to consumers are products that offer total solutions. They in fact must take care of the consumer's satisfaction, starting before a purchase to the post-purchase user experiences. This is a business model unachievable by the hardware alone.
Garmin insists on 3 things. The first is, of course, quality. Garmin demands not just quality in hardware, but good software integration all the way down to the content and choices of maps. Customers not only buy a product, they also receive a long-term integrated service.
What kind of value does a brand provide to its customers? To a product, we continuously develop value-added services and differentiate our P&D products in the market. For example, we have invested tremendous human and R&D resources into the development of the software, map, and 3D navigation on a long-term basis, expecting to bring our customers reliable service for their travel experiences.
From the early developments in space and military navigation, to flight, shipping, and automobile navigation, to today's handheld devices and mobile phone applications, customization and recreational information has become the trend in the development of GPS applications as people began to actively engage in recreational activities. Taiwan's GPS manufacturers have also caught the scent of these opportunities and began to invest in software and product designs for personalized and travel-related applications. First of all, in addition to the hardware, the software must be designed to match the needs of the user. One simple example is looking for a place through its address. In some countries, you can just key in the address, but in some places, the buildings are addressed in a different way. For example, in Singapore, every building carries a special code, so the quickest way to search for a place is to key in the building code directly. Therefore, if you know the consumer behaviors in a country very well, you can adjust your software to suit their needs. Of course, the most important thing is finding a good map information supplier, and this is the only way your products will be sold and make good sales in the local market. This is a problem with Taiwan's manufacturers, something shared with manufacturers worldwide. Taiwan has its advantages compared to the manufacturers in other countries like China and South Korea because we have a head start in hardware development as well as a close connection with the software content suppliers. Overall, our products are better integrated and have higher usability and functional advantages.
As for the function of instant traffic information, this has become a key investment area for us. We're expecting to add TMC instant traffic information to our GPS navigation systems so that our customers will find their ways to their destinations in an even faster speed. For product differentiation and added value, we have placed the TV function into the navigation system this year to provide our customers a different mode of entertainment on top of the navigation functions while they're away from home.
The consumers are expecting multifunctional services from the GPS technology. GPS is not only used in driving or as part of the mobile phone application. Will there be a GPS product that tells me where I am or the altitude of my current position when I'm on a trip or hiking in the outdoors? Maybe there will be a product that can tell me where I am, how long I've been cycling, how many calories I have burned, and may monitor my heart rate while I am cycling. All these are potential developments for GPS systems. In fact, we have also seen many manufacturers involved in different development areas in computer shows over the years. I believe this is all telling the world that Taiwan is a great choice for a partner because Taiwan has excellent abilities in industrial and application development and is aware of world trends. To prevent being involved in price wars or becoming replaced by manufacturers of other nations, Taiwan's manufacturers abandoned the traditional OEM approach to create ergonomic products that are integrated with top-quality customer services and localized information upgrade systems. They consolidated the needs of the consumers to design products to meet the daily needs of the user. As such, Taiwan's manufacturers strive to create quality brands, and they have not just established the reliability of their brands, but also an overall development of the GPS industry. This is the achievement of Taiwan's GPS industry, and this illustrates its thriving development as well as a high devotion.